In this week's court report, Ann Landberg was charged on January 4th, 2018 with unlawful contact with a child, a gross misdemeanor. The acts Landberg is alleged to have committed occurred reportedly between September 1st, 2017 and October 6th, 2017. During Landberg's arraignment hearing, the defendant's attorney, Carl Yorger, was present with the defendant and advised he has been retained to represent Landberg. Attorney Yorger waived arraignment proceedings and requested a pretrial hearing in ordinary course. The court set Landberg's pretrial hearing for March 22nd. Then on that day, the court noted that the state has extended an offer to the defendant and she would like some additional time to consider that offer. Attorney Yorger motioned to continue. The prosecution did not oppose. The court granted that motion to continue and set Landberg's pretrial hearing for May 9th. Landberg is currently facing the formal charge of contact with a minor or mentally ill person, first offense. The Pahrump man arrested, connected to charges of assault with a deadly weapon and battery with a deadly weapon, will be in court tomorrow for a status hearing. Daniel Antill now has a total of 4 separate cases in justice court and is being held in custody on various bond amounts for each of his 4 cases. Police say Antill entered an area residence with 4 unidentified witnesses and threatened victims with a large sheathed knife and a large metal flashlight. Witnesses say Antill swung the flashlight at a unidentified female and then let go of the flashlight and threw it at her, injuring her and her thumb. Then witnesses say Antill threw the large knife in that female victim's direction and then it hit the ground and then hit her. Police say Antill fled on foot, but they later located and arrested him. Antill is being held on $3,000 cash or bond for this case, in which he's facing the charge of domestic battery with 2 separate reopened charges. Antill will be in court Wednesday for that case and is also being held on $13,000 cash or bond for the case in which he's facing the charges of assault with a deadly weapon, 2 counts of battery with use of a deadly weapon, and coercion involving force or immediate threat of force. Antill's pretrial hearing in that case is also scheduled tomorrow. Antill is also being held on $5,000 cash or bond for a case in which he's facing the charges of domestic battery, second offense, and 2 separate counts of battery. Pretrial in that case is also tomorrow. Finally, Antill is also being held on $885 cash or bond for a traffic case in which he's facing 4 different charges, including driving while license canceled, revoked, or suspended. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.